how to fix stickers not showing up on Instagram story. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. Before that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Instagram application in your mobile device. And once you open the Instagram application, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon. If you have switched to your business account, simply switch back to your personal account. For that, tap on the three line icon, just like so, scroll below. Then tap on account tools and types. Just like so, simply tap on switch to personal. Once it is done, head back to your home screen, open settings application. Once you open it up, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, search for Instagram. Then from here, tap on upload app. Then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Once you have uploaded the application, go ahead and reinstall the app again. Once done, open the App Store. Inside the App Store in the search bar, search for Instagram. And if you see update button instead of open, all you have to do is tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once you do that, head back to your home screen and all you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Once that is done, you'll then be able to fix your issue. Well, that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.